In this video, I'll show you how to create a star rating component only using React.js without any component library or any theme packages. It will be like this. When I click a star, I am showing this code here. If you want, you can save on your database. After clicking a star, you cannot decrease it. If you want, you can increase it. This is my app.jsx and there is a simple React component only. Now I will create a component folder. Inside the component folder, I'm creating a rating component. Now I'm creating a simple React use stat hook. By default, it will be 0. And I'm calling the component in the app.jsx and passing a props max star. I am using React fragment. If you want, you can use deep tag also. Inside the fragment, I am using span tag and I am facing the star icon and I will tell something. Cursor would be pointer. Showing good. I'm mapping the star. I'm using spread operator. I am adding a parameter max star and I will get the max star from as a props. When I am pasting the star here, and I will call the function that I created now. Since indexing is start from 0, that's why I am adding +1. It is showing properly, but I want to the star color will change when the star is clicked, and the star color will be dynamic. Now it's work properly. Now I want to add the rating score here. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.